Rosh Hashanah. That's Frank, the all-American Jewish lesbian folk singer, and this is my parrot, Pickles Pie. And we're so glad you enjoyed us today on Frank Talk. All right, step up, Pickles. Step up. Step up. Step up. Okay. Hang on, Pie. Put our mincemeat down here. So, what are we going to talk about today, Pickles? Oh, that's right. Our sponsor, Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Canada Dry tastes like love. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Delicious. Well, Pickles and I were having a debate this morning. Step up, Pickles. We were having a debate about the vice presidential debate and whether or not it's really going to happen. And we happen to know that one of the vice presidential candidates is at debate camp right now. And Pickles and I were wondering what debate camp would be like. What do you think you wear at debate camp? Do you think you have to have a laundry bag at debate camp? What do you think the food is like at debate camp? And what do you think they're debating? I think so too, Pickles. I think so too. Well, I'm so glad that you joined us today on Frank Talk. It's just a teeny weeny show today, but you know, the personal is political. That's what Pickles and I believe. And so we're going to leave you with a little message today, okay? So, see you tomorrow on Frank Talk. Say goodbye, Pick. Say goodbye. That's right. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Step up. That's right. Freedom for all. Everyone should be allowed to marry. That's what Pickle says. Yes, even G.I. Joes. Even G.I. Joes. Pickle says, no one. Proposition 8. Don't forget to vote.